Is Ecco worth it? This is the full-size sail bag from Ecco. I'm familiar with the brand from their tanneries and their innovative approach in the space. I've used their shoes for many years now and I love it. When I went to shoe shopping to their store and I've seen their bag, I had to grab one to inspect. At first glance, I really like the leather. It's fairly standard pebbled embossed finish that we see in the bag, leather bag space. It's fairly scratch and stain resistant in my opinion, but it's well done. The feel of the leather is pretty good since Ecco knows what they're doing with their leathers. Craftsmanship side, I've seen a couple skipped stitches from the machine. Overall, that's not a huge red flag. It's nicely put together. Edge paint is very, very well done in comparison to some other brands I reviewed on this channel. It's definitely enough layers applied onto the product. The only thing is inside it says microfiber lining. It kind of looks like the suede of this leather, but probably it's not since they advertise this as microfiber fabric, which I highly appreciated. We're gonna dive deeper and see further details of this bag. We removed the finish on this embossed pebble leather. It's fairly minimal and a respectful way of finishing this embossed leather. There's not much on it. It gives you good enough protection, yet it still doesn't prevent your feeling to enjoy leather underneath. Beautifully done. As you can see, there's a lot of leather in this project. My estimate is 12 square foot of leather you need, which may cost around $50. To assemble a bag of this complexity, $80 should be enough to cover the hardware and assembly. In total, you need about $130 to make a bag like this in India. I really like the leather used in this project. It's fairly minimal, but yet standardizing finish. It allows us to enjoy the leather, yet enables us to clean and maintain it against scratches and stains. I'm not surprised Ecco used a good leather, being a tannery themselves. So my estimate of $130 to make a bag like this, the price tag of $300 is very, very fair in my standards. Now, I love the Ecco with their innovative tanning practices, and I really enjoyed their shoes so far. And this is the first bag review from them, and it seems like very good leather, a good craft at a fair price. So, thank you.